Good afternoon. Well, as head, principal, vice-chancellor of this bastion of the Scottish Enlightenment, it's my duty to welcome you all here this afternoon to the Freshers' Conference. Civis Universitatis quid quam quim. And I won't keep you very long, because no doubt many of you will have lectures to attend. Lectures here are from 9 till 1, with an hour for lunch. They begin again at 2 and go on until 5, when you are free to go home and do your homework. Now, you may think that working an 18-hour day is rather a lot. Some people have even advanced the criticism that being at Glasgow University is rather like still being at school. Well, we don't give free milk here. Now, for those of you who aren't staying at home with your parents, I should say a word about accommodation. Well, there isn't any. But rest assured, the university is not standing still on this issue. At this very moment, building workers outside the library are erecting a large tent to accommodate all homeless students. Now, some of you may have noticed that my professors and myself live in rather nice houses, which we rent from the university at £7 per week. Now, this may not seem very much to some of you, but let me assure you that if it was any more than that, we couldn't afford to pay the servants. Now, I won't keep you a moment longer, because no doubt many of you will have examinations to attend. Examinations here are from 9 till 1, with an hour for lunch. They begin again at 2 and go on until 5, when you are free to go home and study for your resits. Now, I won't keep you much longer, but I would remind you that in this, the final examination term of the year, the observation tower of the university will remain closed. This is because we don't want any of you jumping off and getting the place a bad name. Hurting yourselves. Now, I shan't keep you a moment longer. I'll just wish you the best of British luck, because you're going to need it here. And finally, my final word to you is, as the stage collapses around us, Gaudium Sigitor, Juvenes Dom Suum. And I won't keep you very long,